We've got a good-looking sunrise on our Live 5 camera. You're looking east towards Singer Island and Peanut Island, the intracoastal. The sun is just starting to come out, and it is a nice start. 78 degrees in West Palm. The humidity is sky high at 93%. Over the last 3 hours, though, no rain, and really there aren't a lot of clouds either. So as you head out the door this morning, I'm not expecting rain to really impact you. However, a coastal shower is possible. Typically, when we get the onshore breeze like we've got today, and we're going to have throughout the weekend, that usually means this time of the year. Morning rain is possible along the coast, and then afternoon storms will stay mainly inland west of 95. So that's what's going to happen today. Highs in the low 90s, a quick morning shower through about 10 or 11, and then hot and sunny inland storms for the afternoon. Here's 11:30. Most of us are still dry. That's your lunch hour, still looking good. By 4 o'clock, though, the sea breeze, the East Coast sea breeze, pushes inland west of the turnpikes. If you're somewhere like Wellington, Green Acres, Royal Palm, Indiantown, that's where I would expect to see some rain around 4 o'clock or thunderstorm possible too. By 7:30, we're clearing out, so you're hitting the town this evening on your Friday. You can probably put the umbrella away. It looks good for Friday evening. Out in the tropics, Hurricane Danny has strengthened a little bit over the past 12 hours. Maximum sustained winds are up from 75 to 85 miles per hour. Still a Category 1. It's going to move into the Caribbean this weekend, but some major dry air in its path is really going to weaken Danny over the next several days. So there's Hurricane Danny. This is water vapor. The dry air is in this orangey brown kind of color. So it's going to have to move through that dry air. It's going to have to move through some wind shear. At this point, it's still too early to tell what impacts Danny would have on South Florida or the United States at all. It's still about a week away from knowing for sure if there will be any impacts to South Florida. But at this point, it looks pretty good for us because as it moves toward the Caribbean, it's going to weaken, and so it's not something that you should be worried about at this time. Saturday and Sunday forecast, really nice, highs in the low 90s, 40% chance for rain each day. Most of the rain will stay inland, so if you have beach plans, it should be fine.